What's up, beauties? I hope all is well. I need y'all to check in real quick. Today I'll be showing you guys a quick short video on how I blend natural leave out using our GLAMWAX stick and also slicking back her edges using our Glamourous edge control. Now, for those who don't know, Shari has very extremely coarse hair, because that's the proper term to use, right? Right. So Shari hair is very coarse, so I have to take extra steps in getting her leave out to blend, but I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Now, for starters, I like to take out the first section out of that leave out area, and I apply my GLAMWAX stick all over that leave out, especially the roots area, and I like to drag it down towards the ends. And once I do that, for hair that's extremely coarse, I like to go in quickly with the hot comb, and I just kind of hot comb those roots out to just get all of those kinks and tangles out of the hair. Sometimes when doing extremely coarse hair, even if you detangle the hair first before pressing the leave out, it will still be hard to comb through after the tangling. So this is why I take those extra steps. But however, once I go in with that hot comb, I like to split that first section of that leave out into half, and then I go in with a nice thick or skinny flat iron, whichever you prefer to use, and I just go split that part of that leave out into 4 sections, and then I press it out piece by piece. And as you can see, that leave out went from very natural and kinky to fresh, permed, relaxing look. Okay, so this is how you sleek your leave out, and I'm just going to show you this guys' entire process. Excuse the nails, yes, I know they missing, but I'm trying to take them off. But do y'all see how sleek and straight, like bone straight, that leave out got? So this is the look that you want to go for, especially if you are doing a leave out installation. Now, also, some people are going to ask, hey, that's a lot of heat that you're using, is it going to damage her hair and everything like that? No, it is not going to damage her hair. One, because we are not sleeking her hair every single day, which can cause heat damage. This is just a one-time process, and once you sleek your clients leave out down to perfection, it will last. Okay, it's just about using the right products and the right technique, and their hair will be totally fine. Now, this GLAMWAX also adds shine to the hair, and it also acts as a heat protectant. That's why as soon as you apply the wax stick and you press it out, it gives you that nice, healthy, and sleek, shiny look. So do not use too much of this product. Once you just apply it on there that first time, it is all that you need to get that leave out basically where you need it to be. Okay, you have to give it what it's supposed to give. Yes, it's the leave out. Yes, it's the natural hair. We understand that. But if you are going to do a leave out style, it needs to be as sleek as it would look as if you were doing a lace install. Okay, if you're more into that kinky look with the kinky curly hair, that's on you. But if you're going for a nice and sleek straight look, then you will have to take the steps necessary to get that leave out pressed. Okay, so as you guys can see the transformation here, Shari natural hair went from very coarse and kinky and natural to that fresh, relaxed look. And I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps for the edge area, but instead of using that thick flat iron, I am going to go in with the edges flat iron. If you guys are not familiar with that, that's that really tiny, like the tiniest flat iron that you can buy, that is like special for the edge area. So I'm going to also detangle her edge area, and I'm going to just apply a little wax, not too much, because we're going to apply Glamourous edge control. And with our edge control, or with any edge control, honestly, you do not want your hair to be greasy before the application. So I'm not really focusing on getting that GLAMWAX really on her edges, just enough to get it pressed out with that really tiny iron. And I'm just going to press that area out. And once I do that, I will add some Pump It Up spritz on top of her leave out to get it to kind of like stay in place. Now, this step is not necessary if you want more of a soft look, or that really Well, just period. If you want that soft look and you do not want any like holding sprays on it, you do not have to apply it. But of course, with Shari, she does want, that extra safe hold. So we did apply some Pump It Up spritz to the Leaveout area, which you guys will see shortly. But for now, I am taking that tiny edge iron and I'm just pressing out the edges. Now I'm just gonna go in and just get her parting area nice and curved. Usually when I do my partings, just the same way I do on my lace wigs, I like my curved parts on the natural Leaveout as well. So what I did now was comb the edges to the front because that's the area that we are going to use the Glamourous edge control on. So in the meantime, I'm just going to take that Pump It Up spritz and the blow dryer on the heat setting, and I just like to take my hand and just press that hair right on down to just get everything blended, everything sleek, and everything super flat. And as I mentioned, this is a quick weave installation that I did. Sorry guys, I did not record. I just really wanted to show you guys how I blend the Leaveout area once again, because I know somebody's going to ask if there's a full tutorial. No, there is not, but I will start posting tutorials like this on my channel, full in detail, so you guys can get the hang of things and not only see me apply lace. But nevertheless, now that we went ahead and spritz that side down, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and then I'm going to come back on and just sleek her edges back with the edge control. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to this quick video. So now that we have that part all sleeked out as well, now we're gonna go in with the Beautiful Hustler brand Glamourous edge control, and it is flavored smell. It does smells like apples. And now I'm just going to apply that on the edge area on both sides, and I'm just going to take my edge brush and just brush, comb, and sleek all of her edges back. We're not doing the dramatic swoops or anything today. We're just going to keep it plain and simple. So I'm just going to take the edge brush and the comb, and you just want to comb and sleek all of those hairs in together. And you want to also make sure that you are using that brush part as well. Make sure you comb the edge control in to kind of like get it to lay down nice and smooth. But then once you go in, with the brush side of the edge, the edge brush, it will kind of like seal everything and just flatten out the edge control to give you a nice and smooth application. And once you are done, you can just go ahead and take your comb and just blend everything all in together. So this is a push, like a push behind the ear type of install. Usually when I do this look, I do not use spritz for the edges. I just use the edge control. And but depending on what the client want, of course, you could adjust your techniques as needed. But I just like to take edge control and just sleek that side back, but it can be spritz if that's your preference. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video thus far, but I'm going to show you guys one more technique. Yes, I add foundation in the parting area to make it more clean in the parting area. You don't have to do that stuff if you don't want to, but that's just my little technique that I like to do to give you that nice clean parting look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick blending video. Don't forget that our restock is Sunday at 9 p.m. and all products will be restocked. Hope to see you there. See you next time.